quiet. Very quiet. The thing is, you can get scared off real easy. You getting a good look at it?
Yeah. I'll stuck to the old sink bag.
Fishy, fishy, fishy. Yep, 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 yep. Got him! Whoa!
You know what?
That's a big one. That's your big boy.
I'm like crazy. We need to get that again.
Son of a whore.
Cool. Goodness.
He's a fighter. And we'll just toss him in the freezer. We'll be eating on that thing for the next 2 months.